Condensate drain system, auto drain trap. As to the principle of DrainMaster's mechanical performance, condensate accumulated in the housing is detected by a level sensor, which triggers operation of a valve, and this allows compressed air in the upper part of the diaphragm to be vented, creating a state of atmospheric pressure. Then, condensate is discharged through the drain line by the pressure of the diaphragm of the valve. Later, the sensor blocks valve signals, which allows air inflow and creation of balancing air in the upper part of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is closed automatically by the spring pressure, preventing loss of compressed air. If condensate is not discharged for 60 seconds due to scale, etc., the situation is notified to a user via an alarm signal, which initiates the automatic restoration mode for normal drainage. Condensate treatment system, oil-water separator. The oil-water separator brings oil-contaminated condensate to a pressure relief chamber, which removes pressure. First, oil is separated from the collected condensate by means of gravity separation from pre-tank, and the floated oil is discharged through the oil drain line. Emulsified condensate is filtered out through several filtering steps and purified before being discharged. The DrainMaster and USU breaker used together can bring considerable improvement to any existing condensate drain and treatment systems. Emulsion splitting equipment for effective separation. After severely emulsified condensate goes through a pressure relief chamber, floating oil is separated from the condensate by means of gravity separation in the first, second, and third pre-separation tanks. The floating oil is discharged through an oil line, and separated condensate is taken to an agitator by a suction pump for separation by reaction. Here, it is mixed with chemicals by the agitator. Separation and decomposition of emulsion takes place at the same time, and flocculation, flock in the form of wool, occurs within the agitator. The flock is collected and filtered out by a filter bag so that only clean water is discharged safely through a lower drain line. ENE System has developed technologies meeting the needs of our time by DrainMaster, a drain system for oil-contaminated condensate, oil-water breaker, oil-water separation system, and Envisol, condensate treatment system that cares about humans and environment. ENE System.